This assignment is the JB October sales data assignment. JB Oct Sales 4 is what we're going to save it on our H drive as. JB Oct Sales 4. Okay, first thing that we're going to do is we're going to rename the Sheet 1 tab to JB Oct Sales. So remember, either double click on it or right click on the sheet and select rename. So it's JB Oct Sales 4. Okay, using this data, we're going to create a three-dimensional stacked column chart showing sales for October by source. Okay, we're going to select the range A5 through D8. Do not include the totals. So A5 through D8. So I'm not including this totals over here at all. Okay, so a 3D stacked column. So insert, columns, 3D stacked column. Okay. We're going to switch the x-axis labels and legend by selecting Chart, and on the Design tab in the Data group, click Switch Row and Column. Okay, so we're on the Design tab. Over here in the Data group, we're going to switch row and column. Okay. So now we have Store, Catalog, and Internet on the x-axis. Okay, we're going to use Jumpball Inc., sales for October by source as the chart title. Okay, JB Inc. Hold on. Jumpball Inc. Sales for October by source. Okay, it's a big chart title. Okay, we're going to enter sales source as the x-axis title. So we're going to add chart element, axis title, primary horizontal. And this is sales source. Okay, and now we're going to display data labels as values. So add chart element, data labels. Let's go more data label options. And see, now we have our data labels as values. They're located in each section of our column chart. Okay, it tells us to position the legend at the bottom of the chart. It's already there. We're going to format the x-axis labels by rotating them to -45. So select our data labels down here, our x-axis. Right-click, Format Axis. Click here on Size and Properties. Under Alignment, our custom angle will be -45 degrees. Okay, and now we're going to move the chart to a new sheet called JBST COLSO. Okay, so watch this. Pay attention. This isn't just copying and pasting. So I'll select my chart. Okay, I'm going to go to my Design tab. Come here to where it says Move Chart. Okay, I'm moving it to a new sheet, and the new sheet is called JBST COLSO. And click OK. So now it moved my chart to a new sheet called JBST COLSO. It didn't just copy and paste it over. Okay. Next, we're going to switch to the JB October sales worksheet. Okay, so this is the one where our data was. We're going to create an exploded pie chart, show the totals for each source, select only range A5 through A8, and range E5 through E8. Use your control key to select data that is not next to each other. Okay, so A5 through A8 and E5 through E8. So I'm holding control as I select E5 through E8. Okay, now I'm going to create a pie chart. So insert, pie chart. I'll select this first 2D pie chart. Okay. Use Jump Ball Inc. Sales for October by source as our chart title. JB. Sorry, Jump Ball Inc. Jump Ball Inc. Comma. Sales for October by source. Okay. Display data labels as percent. Add chart element. Data labels. We'll do them inside the end. We want those as a percent, so I'll select one of those values. Right click. Format data labels. Click percentage. Deselect value. Okay. Okay. So what I just did here, I'll go back and undo it. Okay, so I right clicked on my pie chart, came down to Format Data Series, and it brought up over here series options. So I can control how far apart I want that pie to be exploded. That's an awful lot, so I don't really need it that much. There, that's enough to show that my pie chart is exploded. Okay, position legend at the bottom of the chart, which it is. Change the style of your chart to the style of your choice. So, Design tab, Chart Styles group. You can choose any one of these pie chart styles that you'd like. Then we're going to move the chart to a new sheet called JB Pie. Okay, so I'll select my pie chart, come up here to Move Chart. We're moving it to a new sheet called JB Pie. Okay. Okay, so there's my new pie chart on a new sheet. Okay, so I've got JBSTCOLSO. It has my stacked column chart, my pie chart, and my data for that. Okay, that concludes this assignment. Make sure you save this as JB October Sales, October Sales 4, and submit this one on Canvas. And we are done with this assignment.